Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a pumpkin bread, and I want to take you along with me to show you how I make this really simple yet delicious pumpkin bread because it's the fall time, it's coming around the corner, and it's a perfect thing to go with your coffee in the morning. You can freeze a loaf and have it for later when you have company in town, but it's really delicious and very simple, lots of wonderful spices in it. So let's get going and I'll show you how to put together this pumpkin bread. Hey guys, okay, so here are the ingredients for this pumpkin bread. The first thing that you are going to need is you will need 1.5 cups each of brown sugar and granulated sugar. And then you'll need a cup of vegetable oil. You'll need 4 eggs, and I've already set mine out for room temperature. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin. And then you'll need 3.5 cups of flour. And to that flour, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Now, for your spices, there's lots of them. You're going to have 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and then 1 teaspoon each of nutmeg, allspice, ginger, and cloves. You'll need 2/3 cup of water, and I've already measured that. And then you'll need 1 cup of chopped walnuts, and I have those right there. So now what you do is you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you are going to add all of your dry ingredients together, and then along with your spices, and then you're going to add your wet ingredients, and we're going to beat those wet ingredients and then add the dry ingredients to that. So let's get going on that. Okay guys, so what I've added to my mixing bowl is the sugar, the eggs, the oil, and the pumpkin. So now I'm going to beat those until they're nice and incorporated. And once these become nice and incorporated, I will start adding my dry ingredients to this mixture. Okay, this pumpkin mixture is nice and well incorporated, and I'll stop the mixer so that you can see how nice it looks. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to alternately add the dry ingredients, which is your flour and all of your spices, and then your baking soda and your baking powder and your salt. So we're just going to first start out by adding the dry ingredient. And we'll get that mixed in there, and then we're going to alternately add the water. So you'll add a little water in there, and you'll continue to do this until all of your dry ingredients and your water are incorporated into your wet ingredients. Okay guys, now I have everything mixed together, my wet ingredients and my dry ingredients, and see how pretty that is. And it smells so delicious with all those spices in there. So now I'm going to take this and I am going to evenly distribute the batter into both of these pans, and then I'm going to place these pans, they've already been greased and floured, and I'm going to place these pans into my 350 degree oven. Wow, I can't say that, but anyway. And I'm going to bake them until a toothpick comes out clean. That's probably going to be about an hour. But I will get back with you and let you know exactly how much time it took. And also, I'll show you the final result. Okay guys, the bread is in the oven, and I forgot to add the walnuts. So I've added them now before they even started cooking, and it's in there, and we're getting ready to bake up this pumpkin bread. Okay y'all, the bread is out of the oven, and it looks absolutely wonderful. Look at the big loaves it made. So now what you have to do is let this cool for about 10 minutes, and then you will need to invert them over onto a baking rack and allow them to cool completely. And then I think I may make some icing to go with them, maybe with cream cheese. So we'll be back and we will slice up this bread and taste it. Okay guys, I'm back and I decided to make some glaze for the pumpkin bread. So what I've put together in this bowl is 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Now you can use milk instead of water if you have it, but I don't have any milk in the house, so I'm just basically using water instead of milk, and you just mix it really good together until all of the sugar dissolves. And then we are going to just pour this over the pumpkin bread. Now there's the glaze on the pumpkin bread. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm going to slice this up and put it on a nice white platter and be ready to serve it. And here is the pumpkin bread all ready for the breakfast table. All we need is some hot coffee and it's going to be a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already joined my family, please do so. I would love to have you. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next video. Bye, y'all.